Yo, what's up guys, welcome back to a brand new fucking video. In today's video I'm gonna be showing you guys how to make a stream package for your Twitch streams and shit like that. And yeah, let's get into it. Alright, so before we get into the video, I'm just gonna show you guys how to make the background real quick. So what you want to do is you want to get yourself a background off Google or some shit. I prefer to get these little paint textures put down to like 8 ish. You want to make sure the background or the layer below is fully black. And yeah, next thing I got was these stars. I think I got in a pack or some shit. I just made a layer mask, just painted around it just like this, like that, just kind of like softening it out. And then I got a glow, but like that. And then I got some shapes as well, and I put a layer style on it like that. So without it it's just white, these white little things. And yeah, that's basically the background. Oh yeah, and there's a color correction on it too. These are the settings. And yeah, alright, so first thing I'm gonna do is I'm just gonna make the text real quick. I'm actually gonna get my lines here. I'm gonna type off like that. I'm gonna make it white just for now. I'm gonna make it big, put it in the center here, just like that. Now I'm just gonna get my layer style that I have here. Just gonna paste it. Oh yeah, and by the way, this is my CC. If you guys were wondering, without it, it just kind of looks shit and dull. But if you turn it on, boom. Alright, so next thing you want to do is you want to hold Control, Alt, and Shift, and you just want to drag to the right. Like double click, type line, like that. I'm gonna go back into the layer style. I'm gonna get the whites. I'm gonna go in both. I'm gonna go show you guys the settings for both of these. So line. No, just copy these settings. And then for the off, for the first part, this is the settings. Alright, so once you have that done, I'm just gonna make a glow. Make it blue. But yeah, if you guys are wondering how I did that, I just clicked caps. Because you guys are probably going through that problem where you fucking have a crosshair here, like playing like an FPS. Alright, I'm gonna put that to hard light. Bring it down a bit. I'm gonna make a new layer. Make it white. Put that to hard light as well. Bring it down just like that. Alright, so next thing I'm gonna do is I'm just gonna type stream is currently. I'm gonna make that italic to add a bit of balance to it. Stream is currently, and actually put this right there, just like that. Actually, now I'm make it smaller. Bada bing, bada boom. Stream is currently offline. Before I do that, make a line here. Perfect. Just make a line like that. Get the blue layer style and just paste it on here. Alright, yeah. First thing I'm gonna get is Instagram. Just gonna rasterize it first. Delete the white real quick, and now I'm gonna paste the blue layer style onto it. Make it look spiffy. just like that. If you think it's too much, you can obviously change it. It's really the bevel emboss that brings out that chrome effect kind of. And yeah, you can lower it if you want. Bring the depth down or up. I'm gonna bring it up like that for the logo. And yeah, you can do that if you want. I'm not going to go through them all, but yeah, it's basically the same thing. And yeah, that's basically the offline screen. You can do this with every single one, where you can just edit, make start, start, and then in, then just move this over like that. So yeah, it's basically all the same, you're just changing the text. So you want the first part to be like start, and then second part being in, or first part being end, second part being in, and you want the second part being white, or and then the first part being a color. It doesn't have to be blue. If you want to change the colors on, so you could just create a hue and saturation and go like this, just mess around with the colors. And yeah, alright, so I'm gonna make a face cam now. So I'm just gonna build this. I'm just gonna bring the opacity down a little bit. I'm gonna make a new layer, fill it again. I'm gonna do Control T, and then I'm gonna hold Alt and click on the middle anchor point. I'm just gonna leave it like that. I'm gonna duplicate it again and bring the bottom down, the fill down. Or you could do the opacity. I don't know why. You want to click on the image here, the layer image, and you go to select pixels, modify, contract. You want to do it by 12, click enter and then delete. You get that. You'll get there. Now what you want to do is you want to get your layer style. You want to just get the blue, put it back up, and then on the border you want to just paste it like that. And also you could just leave it like that and have that little face cam if you want. But what I'm gonna do is just gonna get the, what's it called, polygonal lasso tool. Just gonna go like this. Alright, so I made something like that where the shapes are just like all around the place, but this is the main part you want to be focusing on. You want it long, depending on how long your name is and shit like that. But I'm gonna add the name now, so I'm just gonna type name just for an example. You guys can put in your name if you want. Put it right there. Gonna go back down, go into the group one, but the layer style, get the white one to add a bit of contrast, I guess. Put that there, just like that. Now I'm going to duplicate it, gonna rasterize layer style, and I'm just gonna go to perspective. You want to make sure you hide the bottom layer as well, because it's gonna be weird. I just want to bring the top right one just back to the side a bit, back to the left. You get this effect. What the fuck? You get this effect. Just like that. You can make it as big as you want, how small as you want, and yeah, shit like that. Yeah, that's basically it. Same thing as before. Now if you want to change it, get the hue and saturation. And now I'm going to show you guys like how to like save as a PNG. All you have to do is literally take the BG off and just save it. Well, actually, you want to get rid of this as well, so you can put your face under it and this. So yeah, you just want to save it like that. Alright, so next thing I'm going to show you guys is the panels. Now, I have this little effect I'm going to use here. So you want to get your logo and shit like that. Actually, we're going to start off with the text. Right, same text, same font, same colorway, same everything, right? So you want to just put for your first text, like Insta. Fuck. Yeah, Insta. Alright, now the second one, your rhyme. And yeah, you just want to shift control and drag it over. Just like that. And obviously if you have a logo or some shit, you want to make your own panel, just edit the text. Like I already have all these for you, so it's just plain for if you want to add some other shit. But you can just duplicate it for as many as you want, doesn't really matter. But yeah, I'm just going to show you guys this effect. So what you want to do is you want to get your logo and you want to click on the preview image, select image or select pixels, and go down to modify. Oh no, don't. So you just want to select the pixels. Once you have that selected, you just want to go on to here. You want to make sure you don't have this one. You want to make sure you have a duplicate version, because you know, if you mess up, it's finished. And yeah, you just want to delete, and it'll make this nice effect. This picture is actually low quality as fuck, so it's gonna look like that. But and this size is really small as well, so it's gonna look a bit low quality, but on Twitch it's perfectly fine, looks perfect. And yeah, same thing as before, doing saturation, boom 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 boom. Alright, so if you guys want to support me and you know, get yourself these along with some other shit like intermission with your face cam and chat and all that shit, go down to the link in the description for go down to the link in the description, and it's gonna be cheap as fuck, like €5 or some shit. It's just to support me, because I did spend a lot of time on this for you guys. And yeah, please leave a like if you did enjoy, and subscribe if it did help you out in any way, shape or form. And yeah, peace.
From a low look, kinda like nigga was cracking. Christian Dior with the chrome, I crushed all denim, like shit, think I'm Catholic. Niggas still saying they want more like R3, man, I guess it's a classic. But I can't do no dab at tracking, shit gon' fuck at the back end. I remember when I first started rapping, most of these niggas were laughing. Fucked around, police call me with the ratchet, wish I could tell you what happened. Like fuck it like so much, I'm more to the action. So dumb, this shit get dramatic. Who the fuck tell you I was lacking? These niggas ain't with that action, ain't really with that shit, just asking.